Conflicting leaks have suggested that Samsung may either stick with Snapdragon chips for its 2024 flagship devices or add its own Exynos chip to the lineup. As the Galaxy S24 is expected to launch in early January 2024, there have been a lot of rumors surrounding the company's system-on-chip selection. In the end, Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 was chosen for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, while the Exynos 2400 was used in other variants outside of the US. There are now interesting, although contradictory, information about the upcoming Galaxy S25 series. According to a report from the Korean outlet Hancom, which cites industry insiders, a similar story is emerging for the Samsung Galaxy S25. A recent leak suggests the entire lineup may fully embrace Snapdragon. Samsung plans to exclusively feature Qualcomm's next-generation flagship Snapdragon chipset in the Galaxy S25. By working with Qualcomm to develop the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 for Galaxy chipsets, which are especially made for the Galaxy S25, the business hopes to improve the AI capabilities of the Galaxy S25. According to the report, a customized Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip for the Galaxy is now being developed, specifically for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This suggests that the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus could have normal Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 CPUs, which would be a big departure from Samsung's custom of using overclocked Snapdragon for Galaxy variations in all Galaxy smartphones with Snapdragon processors. The Exynos 2500 chip, which was earlier expected to be included in certain Galaxy S25 variants, seems to be Samsung's main focus right now. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Fold 7 are expected to launch in the second half of 2025, and rumors also say that Samsung is thinking about using the Exynos 2500. Samsung, meanwhile, has never included an Exynos 7 chip in any of its foldable devices. As a result, it's prudent to not anticipate an Exynos-powered foldable phone in 2025. Earlier this year, there were false allegations that the Galaxy Z Flip 6 would have the Exynos 2400. However, the smartphone ultimately arrived with the Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 chip. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.